If you like the video, make a drink and subscribe to the channel.
Don't think of the Edge Street as a plus-sized Fiesta Street, as the 4,477-pound crossover lacks the light lateral dynamics and driver engagement of the sub-3,000-pound subcompact hatch. Compared to the standard Edge, however, the Edge Street is a riot. Credit the twin-turbocharged 2.7-liter V6 engine. With 335 horsepower and 380 pound-feet of torque, the bi-turbo bent 6 betters that of the Blazer RS's naturally aspirated 3.6-liter V6 by 27 horses and 110 pound-feet of torque. That twist makes itself known anytime the throttle pedal is matted to the firewall, and the all-wheel drive Edge Street always feels ready to pounce off the line. Putting the engine's power to the road is an 8-speed automatic transmission that upshifts smoothly, but is irritatingly slow to downshift. Switching to the more aggressive sport mode invokes quicker response times, but it practically eliminates the gearbox's desire to tap into its overdrive gears. Sport mode also uses the audio speaker's active noise cancellation technology to amplify the engine's growl in the cabin. Steering wheel-mounted paddle shifters afford manual control of the transmission, however. Their slow responses mean it's best to simply press the sport button and let the transmission do the shifting itself during more dynamic drives. Although every Edge Saint benefits from model-specific suspension changes that include revised front and rear springs and monotube shock absorbers, only models equipped with the 2695 Saint Performance Brake Package feature a set of sticky Pirelli P0 tires wrapped around 21-inch wheels. The package also includes more fade-resistant brake pad material and front rotors, as well as an upgraded radiator cooling fan. With the Saint Performance Brake Package, the Edge Street is eager to exercise the lateral limits of its summer rubber. Turn-in is sharp and body motions are generally well controlled. It's a shame the steering is so numb and artificially heavy, because the chassis is stiff and reasonably communicative, while the brake pedal's firm and predictable action is as good as many sports cars. While the Edge Street's dynamics certainly top those of its 4-cylinder sibling, the model fails to entertain the driver in the way we expect an Saint-badged vehicle to do so. Consumers serious about driving ought to spend their money on more expensive premium performance-oriented crossovers or save their money and embrace the cushier and more detached driving experience of the standard Edge.